Hello students, in this session I am going to discuss problems on expansion of solids. First problem, the coefficient of linear expansion of matter is 11 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degree centigrade inverse. What will be the value of coefficient of areal expansion of this matter? What they given in this question? Coefficient of linear expansion of a matter is 11 into 10 to the power of minus 6 per degree centigrade. So, alpha is equals to 11 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degree centigrade inverse. What we have to calculate? Coefficient of areal expansion. It is denoted by letter beta. Beta is equals to 2 alpha, that is equals to 2 into 10 to the power of into 11. 2 into 11 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So, that is 11 to the how much? 22. So, 22 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degree centigrade inverse. This is the value of beta. So, first option is correct. Next, second question. The coefficient of linear expansion of brass is 19 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degree centigrade inverse. What will be the value of coefficient of volume expansion of the brass? Given linear expansion of brass is alpha is equals to 19 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degree centigrade inverse. We have to calculate gamma. Gamma is equal to 3 alpha. 3 into 19 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 19 3 is how much? 57 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degree centigrade inverse. So, in these options which is correct? Third option is correct. Coefficient of linear expansion of the brass is 19 into 10 to the power of minus 6 inverse degree centigrade inverse, and coefficient of volume expansion of the brass is 57 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degree centigrade inverse. So, third option is correct. In this question, the coefficient of linear expansion of copper is 17 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degree centigrade inverse. What will be the increase in length of copper, length of a copper wire 10 meters long when heated from 30 degree centigrade to 60 degree centigrade? Given alpha is equals to 17 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degree centigrade inverse, and next L1 is equals to 10 meters and T2 minus T1 is equal to 30 degree centigrade they given. We have to calculate increase in length, that is L2 minus L1 is equals to alpha L1 of T2 minus T1. What is alpha? 17 into 10 to the power of minus 6, L1 value 10 and T2 minus value 30. Substituting all these values, 17 3 is 51 into 10 to the power of minus 6, here 1, here 1, 10 to the power of minus 4. So, therefore, L2 minus L1 is equals to 0.0051 meters. So, in this option, which option is correct? Second option is correct. So, increase in length L2 minus L1 is equal to 0.0051 meters. In this question, the temperature of 200 centimeter cube of mercury is increased from 0 degree centigrade to 100 degree centigrade. Coefficient of volume expansion of mercury is 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 4 degree centigrade inverse. What is the increase in volume? We have to calculate. So, given V1 is equals to 200 centimeter cube. T2 minus T1 is equals to 100 minus 0 how much? 100 degree centigrade. And gamma, coefficient of volume expansion is denoted by letter, that is gamma. Gamma is equals to 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 4 degree centigrade inverse. We have to calculate V2 minus V1. V2 minus V1 is equals to gamma V1 of T2 minus T1, that is equals to 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into what is V1 200 into what is delta T 100, that is equal to 1.8 into 2 3.6. Here 10 to the power of minus 4, here 10 square, here 10 square. So, 10 to the power of minus 4, 10 to the power of minus 4, when bases are equal, power should add. So, 4 minus 4 plus 4 cancel, that is equals to 3.6 centimeter cube or 3.6 centimeters cube or V1 V2 minus V1 is equal to 36 into 10 to the power of minus 1 centimeter cube. So, what is here, what should write? 36 into 10 to the power of minus 1 centimeter. In this question, the given coefficient of cubical expansion of a metal is 7.2 into 10 to the power of minus 5 degree centigrade inverse. Then we have to calculate alpha and beta. They given gamma. Gamma is equals to 7.2 into 10 to the power of minus 5 degree centigrade inverse. Alpha is equals to gamma by 3, that is equals to 7.2 by 3 into 10 to the power of minus 5, that is equal to 3 ones, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. So, alpha is equals to 2.4 into 10 to the power of minus 5 degree centigrade inverse. So, the value of alpha is, this is the value of alpha. And beta, beta is equals to 2 alpha, 2 into 2.4 into 10 to the power of minus 5, that is equals to 2 into 2.4 how much? 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 5 degree centigrade inverse. This is the value of beta. The value of alpha is 2.4 into 10 to the power of minus 5 degree centigrade inverse, and the value of beta is 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 5 per degree centigrade. In this question, the length of each rail is 10 meters. The linear expansion of steel is 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6 per degree centigrade, and the range of variation of temperature at the given place is 15 degree centigrade. The gap to be left between the rail is, so given alpha is equals to 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degree centigrade inverse, and L1 is equals to 10 meters, and T2 minus T1 is equal to 15 degree centigrade. We have to calculate L2 minus L1. L2 minus L1 is equals to alpha L1 into T2 minus T1. Substitute all values. Alpha value is 12 into 10 to the power minus 6 and L1 is equal to 10 and T2 minus T1 is equal to 15. That is equals to 12 into 15. 15 2s are 30, 15 1 is 15, 180. 180 into, here 10 to the power of minus 6, here 1. Minus 6 plus 1, 10 to the power of minus 5, or we can write it as 18 into 10 to the power of minus 4, or that is equals to 0.0018 meters. This is the answer. L2 minus L1 is equals to 0.0018 meters. So, which option is correct? First option is correct. In this question, the given coefficient of linear expansion of gold is 14 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degree centigrade inverse. We have to calculate coefficient of linear expansion on Fahrenheit scale. Here, we have to remember that 1 degree centigrade is equals to 9 by 5 degree Fahrenheit. The difference of 1 degree centigrade is equals to difference of 1.8 degree Fahrenheit. So, 1 degree centigrade is equals to 1.8 degree Fahrenheit. Here they given 14 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degree centigrade by 1 degree is equals to 14 into 10 to the power of minus 6 by 1.8 degree Fahrenheit. So, that is equals to 14 by 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 2 7s are 14, 2 0.9s are 18. 7 by 0.9 into 10 to the power of minus 6. This is, we are getting 70 by 9 into 10 to the power of minus 6, approximately 7.778 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degree centigrade inverse. This is the alpha value on Fahrenheit scale. So, among this which is correct? First one is correct option. In this question, given the coefficient of linear expansion of nickel is 13 into 10 to the power of minus 6 per degree centigrade. We have to calculate coefficient of areal and coefficient of cubical expansion. Given alpha is equals to 13 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degree centigrade inverse. We have to calculate beta and gamma. Beta is equal to 2 alpha, that is equal to 2 into 13 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 13 to the how much? 26. 26 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degree centigrade inverse, and gamma is equal to 3 alpha, that is equal to 3 into 13 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 13 3 is how much? 39 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degree centigrade inverse. This is the value of cubical expansion, and this is beta denotes coefficient of areal expansion. Which option is correct? First one is correct. In this question, given coefficient of cubical expansion of a solid is 0.000027 degree centigrade inverse. If the temperature is measured on Fahrenheit scale, numerical value of coefficient of linear expansion of solid is given. Gamma is equals to 0.000027 degree centigrade inverse. We have to calculate alpha. Alpha is equal to gamma by 3, that is 27 into 10 to the power of minus 6 by 3, 3 ones 3 nines. So, what is alpha value? 9 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degree centigrade. Now, 1 degree centigrade is equal to 1 degree Fahrenheit. 9 into 10 to the power of minus 6 by 1 degree centigrade is equals to 9 into 10 to the power of minus 6 by 1.8 degree, that is equals to 90 by 18 into 10 to the power of minus 6, 18 ones 18 5s, that is equals to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 degree Fahrenheit. So, which one is correct? third option is correct. In this question, given coefficient of, if coefficient of cubical expansion is x times of coefficient of superficial expansion, then the value of x is given gamma is equals to x into beta. Gamma is equals to 3 beta by 2, that is equal to x into beta. Beta beta cancel, x is equals to 3 by 2 or 1.5. So, the value of x is 1.5. Which one is correct option? First one.